quantification method is complete. Now we'll remove the collection plate.
At the incubation complete stage, open the front protective cover. Immediately remove the collection plate from the work deck. The plate contains the quantified peptides. Seal the collection plate with aluminum sealing foil. Set the collection plate aside at room temperature until you are ready to proceed with drying the peptides. Remove the black quantitation plate from the work deck and move it to the microplate reader for fluorescence analysis. Save the resulting fluorescence data. This file will be used during the peptide reconstitution method. Select Continue.
Now we'll dry the peptides.
At this point, you can freeze the sealed collection plate at -80°C for at least 15 minutes. Then remove it from the freezer. We recommend freezing the collection plate to prevent accidental spills when transferring the plate to a vacuum concentrator. Unseal the plate. Transfer the plate to the vacuum concentrator. Confirm the vacuum concentrator is appropriately balanced. Set the temperature to 20°C or lower. Do not walk away from the vacuum concentrator until efficient vacuum has been established. Run the vacuum concentrator until the peptides are fully dried, which can take several hours. We recommend running the vacuum concentrator overnight. When the vacuum concentrator is finished, visually confirm the peptides are fully dried. At the peptide quantification complete stage, unload all other labware from the work deck. Discard used labware and reagents appropriately. Select one or more of the following options. Select Main Menu to return to the ICS main menu. Select Flush MPE to run the MPE Flush maintenance method. If you intend to reconstitute peptides immediately, proceed to the peptide reconstitution sections in the user guide for the Proteograph XT assay. If you are reconstituting later, seal the collection plate and store at -80°C for no longer than 1 year.
We've finished peptide quantification and dry down. Next, we'll proceed to peptide reconstitution.